morning, students. Now today we'll move our next point of our first chapter. So look at here in the picture. What are they telling? They are telling that do not try to taste unknown plants around you to see if they are edible. Some plants could be poisonous. कोई भी plants है उसको कोई भी leaf को हमें खाना नहीं है because all plants parts are not eatable. Some may be poisonous. Okay. Now here one activity is there. From all the food items you have listed in table 1.3, choose those items whose ingredients are obtained from plants. And which part of a plant are write down there. Suppose you use ginger, then write which part of a plant ginger is. So it's stem. Okay, and make a list. Now this is activity 5. In activity 5, what you have to do, take some dry seeds of moong or chana. Put a small quantity of seeds in a container filled with water and leave it aside for a day. With water and leave it completely and leave the seeds in the vessel. Wrap them with a piece of wet cloth and set aside. The following day, do you observe any changes in the seed? Yes. आपको मूंग या ग्रीन ग्राम लेना है, उसको वाटर में फुल नाइट भिगोना है, ठीक है. Then next day you just wrap in the cloth, then you can say that it will sprouts. This is the activity for compulsory to do. Then you have to send the photos in the Google Classroom. I will make one assignment option. Okay, see, a small white structure may have grown out the seeds. It is so the seeds have sprouted. Okay, look at here. See, okay. After washing these sprouted seeds, you can eat them. They can also be boiled and some spices and get a tasty snacks to eat. Okay. Do you know where honey comes from or how it is produced? Have you seen a beehive? So bees collect nectar. Nectar means sweet juice from flowers, convert it into honey and store it in their hive. Flowers and their nectar may be available only for a part of a year. So bees store this nectar for their use all through the year. When we find such a beehive, we collect the food stored by the bees as honey. What do animals eat? Do you have cattle or pet animals at home? See, squirrel. You will then surely be aware of the food of the animal eats. What about the other animals? Have you ever observed that a squirrel, pigeon, lizard or small insects may be eating as their food? See, in your activity you have to write down. See, this is the buffalo. Here name of the animal and here food the animal eats. What did the buffalo eat? So grass, oil cake, hay, grains, cats, small animals, bird and meals. Like this you have to fill up this table. Okay, so you can observe that in the first video we talk about it. If you remember, if you don't remember, then go back and see the first video so you can understand. See, there are 3 types of animals on the basis of their food or what are they eating. These are called herbivores. They eat only plants or plant products. Carnivorous, these animals are called carnivores who only eats flesh, and omnivores who eats both flesh and plants. Okay, so Paheli wants to know where you would place human being. Human beings are omnivorous because human beings eat flesh and vegetables also. Now summary. There is a lot of variations in the food eaten in different regions of India. The main source of food are plants and animals. Animals which eat only plants are called herbivores. Animals which eat only animal are called carnivores, and animals which eat both plants as well as other animal are called omnivores. Okay, now this is exercise and we'll discuss in the next video exercise. Okay, thank you.